Want to share an Instagram comment to your story? Here's how. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Navigate to the bottom right corner and tap your profile picture. Review your profile and tap on the desired post with a comment. Wait for the post to open in full screen, then click the message icon right there to access the comment section. Here, find the comment, tap and hold the comment you want to share until a pop-up menu appears. In the pop-up menu, select Add to Story. Adjust the comment in the story section to your preferred position. Now you can also adjust the size of the shared comment. At the bottom of the screen, click Your Story to confirm sharing. Now wait until your story uploads. Navigate back to the home screen and at the top left corner, tap your profile picture to see the comment on your story. And that's it. Follow for more quick tips.